What's going on, everybody? So my wife's Jeep Cherokee armrest was starting to crack, and I didn't want to have to reupholster the original leather, and I found this awesome leather cover for the armrest. What I love about the most is that it was a soft leather and all you had to do was slip it on. Now the hardest thing about this, if you want to consider it hard, was slipping it on only because it was super snug, but you wanted to be snug because it feels like it's part of the original leather, and it did. I've had this for about 5 months and I have no complaints. I know this is a quick video, but it's just that easy. Buy it, slip it on, done. Please leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And man, that's sweet.